Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to reload toner in HP laserjet 2606 printer. First open this cover and open this cover. First close your paper out tray. Okay, this is your reload kit. Okay, open this orange cover. Okay, and insert your reload kit in your printer and just slide this button. Okay, and then press this pouch. Okay, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Yes, your kit is reloaded. Remove. Okay, slide this and remove your reload kit and close cover and close scanner cover and then take a printout. Thank you for watching me.